Hello everyone, WsternDigital Recovery again, and today we will be working on two Western Digital drives from 1995-1998 era. They are about 8 gigabytes. It says manufacturer 2000. Okay, this one is 99. So end of the 90s, the last century drive, so to say. And we need to move data from this one to this one. And this one does not spin. So we will take a look. It actually shows there is a short on a controller when you apply power to it. So we're going to take a look and see what's going on with the controller here. I got two different gloves here because the black one has a better grip for the screwdriver. So I like it better. Usually on those drives, what happens is the controller board either burns out or the spinner, or so to say, the drive motor controller chip burns out. So we're gonna take a look and see what's going on. Just gonna pray it up a little bit here. Connectors to the heads. There we go. All right. Yeah, it's a little discoloration on this side here. There you see, right over here. Like a little black spot. Other areas are fine. So let's see what we have here. Yeah, the motor chip. Let's take a look closer. Zoom in. Yeah, it looks like it's burned. Yeah, that was a very common problem back then. So let's take a look and see. We're gonna have to take the chip off and see if there's any shortages around it after we're gonna take it off, because obviously with this on, it's gonna be a problem to find a short. So short pause, and we're gonna take it off, desolder it. So that's how it looks like. See this little hole here? Goes right into the chip. So we're gonna have to take it off and see what's going on there. So let's look at closer. So I got it burnt things cleaned off a little bit. Now you can see the crack where the chip got burnt. Right there. I'm gonna zoom it in so you can see it better. Let's take it a little different angle. Okay. See right here? So let's get zoomed in even more. There we go. There you see. This is where the crystal got overheated and burnt out. So we're going to take it off. Put a little flux on it. Get it ready to be taken off. just warm up. I have a bottom heater turned on a little bit, so it's gonna warm up a little bit. Takes a couple of minutes. We're gonna continue right after that. Alright, so what's good about those older boards, you don't need to heat them up really long time to higher temps. It gets warmed up pretty quickly. Let's get those caps back. There we go. And then let's see if it's moving. Yeah, it's moving. So I'm going to lift it up a little bit. And then we're going to take it off with the pump. Sitting strong. There we go. See the chip? Alright, so we're going to prep the pads. We're going to get another chip from the other donor controller. And this is the chip over here. Let's see if it has anything at the bottom. Yeah. Sometimes it blows from the bottom too, but this one didn't. So just on the top. Alright, let's get the donor part prepped and solder the new one in and check the shortages if there's any. Alright, let's see if there's any shortage here on the power lines. Good there. Okay. There's two diodes. It will show current one way but not the other way. And this one is good. Okay. That looks like we're good there. All right, looks like we're good here. This is the donor drive and the controller, so we're going to take this chip off and put it on a original drive. Now I'm going to inspect it under the other microscope to see if there's any non-soldered contacts, and then I'm going to clean it up from the flux. We'll make sure that the contacts here are 100% soldered. They look like solder, but it doesn't hurt to go over them again real quick and make sure that everything is nice and tight. Alright, so cleaning time. Alright, let's check the short circuits and then we will try to power it on. Alright, so here's the drive. We got it plugged and let's see if it fires up. Spins up just fine. Let's continue to the next step. Okay, so we got this drive hooked up to the system. It's the older system. Just happened that I have one. It's the very same drive with the controller that we got fixed. And we will fire it up. Let's go to the BIOS. Let's go to the auto detection. Right now, hold on. These are the old drives that I had here attached. We will redetect them. So that's the one that's attached. This is the other one. 89 megabytes. And this is the one that we fixed. It's 8.4 gigabytes. We're gonna keep that, and there is no fourth, so we're gonna keep this. Double check that everything is right. This is the drive that we fixed, and let's save it. And let's go to the Windows. There we go. It's gonna take some time, but we're gonna get it loaded up. No problema. When was the last time you've seen Windows 98 booting? Write it in comments. So basically right now is the desktop loading with all the icons and everything. This is totally normal because the drivers are different than the original hardware, so this is totally fine. We're just gonna click cancel here. Yeah, we can close this too. There we go. I'm gonna stop recording now because there will be documents popping up. So So this is the very same drive that we fixed. It's working now. We got the data. And thank you for the watch. Come back and we'll get another interesting video for you.